So what I did, guys, I create a big covering. We are using, I know, using these sheets, king size or full king size sheets, and I just try to connect them together so my birds can fly. But Lucy, you know how she is. She's a travel girl. She's always exploring. Look at that. See? Oh my goodness. But apparently my budgies are having fun. They have plenty room to fly and plenty light. And I put, you know, treats, some toys around, a lot of light, so then they can have a nice playroom, supposedly, but not inside the house because I don't want them to get sick, because you know I'm sick. I'm using a mask right now as I talk. I don't want them to get sick. Plus, I want them to have freedom. But this little one, look at that. Lucy is something else. She's trying to destroy it already. My goodness. Look at that. And the other birds are having fun. Sunny, he's like, where is she? Lucy, don't do that, please. Come on, Lucy. The Budgies are eating right now. And you can see Cookie is eating. Nemo is over there. Hi, Nemo. Hi, Papa. Where's Toby? Where's Toby? I don't see Toby. Oh, she's over there. And Lucy, she's yawing. She was yawing. She's over there. Everything is good. Budgies are having fun. I put a treat there. And I put another treat there inside there. Nemo is like, where's everybody? Where's everybody's eating or resting, playing? Toby's inside there. And also Cookie. Cookie's over there. Hi, Cookie. Charlotte, Lucy, and Sunny are over there on that thing that I hang. They're having fun. It's like a basket, a metal basket. Charlotte is having his massage. Pretty bird. Can you say pretty bird? Can you say pretty bird? Oh, Toby is over there. I was looking for her. Toby's over there. Pretty bird.